pass by the post. Foul on Grealish. De Bruyne. When you need a moment of sheer class. Frustration broken by a moment of genius from Kevin De Bruyne. 4th minute of the second half. And it's
Rue got his head to it. This is Zielinski. That's a foul by Luca Romero. It's a yellow card. And it's a prop the ball up and over the wall here. And Maradona might be celebrating again. Raspadori with the free kick! Glorious! Napoli are level, and Giacomo Raspadori has
perfect in the first half, but a goal can change everything. Look here, brilliant free kick. Yes, you can ask some. Look the bend, how bend this ball, incredible. Yes, Magnan cannot see the ball. There are too many bodies in front of him.
Mario de Jong weer een vrije trap krijgt. Pereiro over de muur en erin, schitterende vrije trap. Hij is nog steeds boos, vond het geen overtreding en moppert dus nog na op Nijhuis. Ja, dan moet je hem wel nog even maken en dat doet Pereiro op werkelijk schitterende wijze. Jensen beweegt niet eens. Ziet de bal, 12 treffers, maar nooit was hij onomstreden. Altijd scoort hij zo rond de 10 doelpunten.